Luna dipped her toes into the warm turquoise water of Biscayne National Park. The sun shimmered on the surface, and the salty breeze tickled her nose. She grinned as she adjusted her snorkel mask. Today was going to be an adventure. "Luna, are you ready?" called a voice from the water. Luna turned to see her best friend, a sea turtle named Tali, paddling excitedly in the shallows. "Always," Luna replied, wading deeper until the water reached her shoulders. "Where are we going?" "To explore Biscayne National Park," Tali said. "It's mostly water, but it has islands, coral reefs, and even an old shipwreck." Luna's eyes lit up. "A shipwreck? That sounds amazing." Tali nodded. "Long ago, sailors crashed into the shallow reefs. Some of their ships are still at the bottom of the sea. The park protects them so fish and coral can make new homes there." Eager to begin, Luna took a deep breath and dove under the surface. The underwater world was alive with color. Schools of shimmering fish darted through coral formations, and tiny bubbles drifted toward the sky. "These corals look like giant boulders," Luna exclaimed when she surfaced. "That's brain coral," Tali explained. "It grows very slowly, only about half an inch a year. Some of these are hundreds of years old." Luna marveled at the patterns on the coral, then spotted a spiky creature nestled between the rocks. "What's that?" she asked. "That's a sea urchin," Tali said. "It helps keep the reef clean by eating algae." A parrotfish swam by, munching on coral. Luna giggled. "Why is it eating that?" "Parrotfish nibble on coral to get algae," Tali explained. "Then they turn it into sand. That's how some beaches are made." Luna wiggled her toes. "I might be standing on parrotfish sand right now." Tali laughed. "You probably are." They swam to a patch of seagrass swaying in the current. A huge creature with small eyes peeked out. "A manatee," Luna whispered. "Why is it here?" "Manatees love seagrass," Tali said. "It's like a salad for them." Luna watched the gentle giant nibble on the underwater plants, mesmerized by its slow movements. Then, a shadow passed overhead. She looked up. "Who's that?" "A great blue heron," Tali answered. "It wades in the water to catch fish with its long beak." "Biscayne has so many amazing animals," Luna said. Tali nodded. "And history too. Long ago, people lived on these islands and fished in these waters." They swam toward a small island where an old lighthouse stood tall against the blue sky. "Who built that?" Luna asked. "Sailors needed help finding their way," Tali explained. "This lighthouse guided them safely through the waters." Luna imagined ships sailing past, their sails full of wind. "This park protects both nature and history." "That's right," Tali said. "People come here to kayak, snorkel, and learn about the park's wonders." A gentle wave rolled in, splashing against the shore. Luna sighed happily. "I love Biscayne National Park." Tali flapped her flippers. "Me too! Ready to explore more." "Always," Luna said, diving back into the water. As they swam, something shiny caught Luna's eye. She reached down and picked up a small, round object from the sandy ocean floor. "What's this?" she asked, showing it to Tali. Tali took a closer look. "It's an old coin, maybe from a shipwreck. Pirates and sailors used to sail these waters long ago." Luna's eyes sparkled. "Wow, Biscayne has history everywhere, even buried in the sand." She carefully placed the coin back where she found it. "It's important not to remove things from a national park." Tali nodded approvingly. "That's right. Everything here is part of the park's story." They continued exploring, coming across a mangrove forest. "These trees grow in salt water?" Luna asked in surprise. "Yes," Tali said. "Their roots filter out the salt and provide shelter for young fish and crabs." Luna peered into the tangled roots and spotted tiny fish darting between them. A blue crab scuttled sideways, its claws raised. Look at the crab, Luna said, giggling. Why does it walk sideways? Tali chuckled. That's just how their legs work. Blue crabs are important because they help keep the ecosystem balanced. They swam further and found a group of divers exploring a coral reef. Bubbles floated to the surface as the divers moved gracefully through the water. People can scuba dive here? Luna asked. Yes. The park allows diving so people can see the reefs up close, but they have to be careful not to touch the coral. Luna nodded. Coral is delicate. It takes a long time to grow. As they swam back toward the shore, Luna spotted a group of kayakers paddling along the coast. That looks fun, she said. It is, Tali agreed. Kayaking is a great way to explore without disturbing the environment. The sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of pink and orange. The water shimmered, reflecting the colors of the sky. Luna and Tali floated on the gentle waves, taking it all in. Today was amazing, Luna said. I learned so much. Tali smiled. Biscayne National Park is full of wonders, and there's always more to explore. Luna stretched her arms. Tomorrow, let's come back and find something new. Tali grinned. Always. The two friends watched as the last light of the day disappeared beyond the horizon, already excited for their next adventure in the beautiful waters of Biscayne National Park.